Hi, Dave here. Welcome to the Real Wheels Corporation YouTube channel. Here you'll find product overviews, installation videos, and more about our company, products, and services. RWC is a proud American manufacturer with over 35 years of dedicated service to the commercial truck industry. In fact, Real Wheels is the only U.S. manufacturer of many of these products. We've been awarded over a dozen U.S. patents for our innovative designs. Here you'll also find information on our ID division, RWC's complete contract manufacturing arm, dedicated to serving truck OEMs, bodybuilders, and upfitters, and videos on our line of American-made Jeep Wrangler accessories. We'll be adding additional content to this channel, so be sure to check back often. If you have any questions or need more information, visit our website at realwheels.com or give us a call at 1-800-982-1180.